We will not attack anybody, we can assure all. But if anybody try to attack us, we will give them a fitting reply which they cannot forget in their lifetime. Let me underline, we are not warmongers. We are peace-loving citizens. We know that peace is the prerequisite for progress. If there is tension, you cannot have attention. We are aware of it. But if somebody want to create tension, and one of our neighbor is aiding, abetting, funding, training terrorists continuously, without realizing the damage they are doing to the humanity, and also the damage they are going to inflict on themselves in the coming future, they should understand that. And we don't want to interfere in anybody's internal affairs. But we don't want others also not to interfere in our internal affairs. They were talking about Kashmir, this to discuss. What is there to discuss in Kashmir? Kashmir is an integral part of India. From 1952 onwards, 54 onwards, elections are held. Chief ministers are elected. There is an elected government at the state. Members of parliament are being elected. And what is there not to discuss? Yes, there is something remains to be discussed. I do agree. The remaining thing to discuss is about with our neighbor is hand over the remaining part of Kashmir to us. That is POK. My dear scientists, Kashmir is an integral part of India. And now what we have done is only an administrative arrangement. We have not done anything else. And that's well within our country's right. We are a sovereign country. We will make adjustments. There will be some division sometimes. Andhra has been divided earlier. Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Uttarakhand. All these things, they are all administrative changes. Similarly, that temporary thing is called as temporary in the constitution. Is now temporary 72 years that has been removed by parliament. And parliament also with 2/3 majority in Rajya Sabha, which I am presiding. I was only presiding, but the members were deciding. And 4/5 of the Lok Sabha, 2/3 of Rajya Sabha has approved it. Now it's a foregone conclusion. So the unnecessary things should not be said or done by anybody, and we will not tolerate anybody's interference in our internal affairs. We are capable of sorting out issues, we will do it. That's our Prime Minister also has made it very clear. As far as the country's unity, integrity, safety, security is concerned, the entire country must speak in one voice. We should not give scope for the noise that is being made from other side by adding some voice which is not in the interest of the country. This has to be understood by one and all.